oh. Who fit dash you 7 million naira or 10 million naira just like that in this Lagos? Are you playing? Nobody. But Jenifa Gardens can make it happen before 10th of January 2025 next year. But if you know say you fit dash me, just signify in the comment section. Imagine this, you dey your house sipping cold zobo when one neighbor waka come greet you. Na so dem dey gist you say, ha, that land wey we buy last year don jump go up. We just dey cash out millions like say we win lottery. And you just dey look like I for don kill him. Well, my people, no let history repeat itself. Jenifa Gardens na the next hot cake, and if you play your card very well, you fit bank 7 million naira or 10 million naira before 10th of January 2025 next year. How? Wait, let me break it down for you. Jenifa Gardens is not anyhow estate. It is brought to you by City Limited, the same trusted developers behind some of Lagos' most sought after estates, like Estate Phase 1 and 2, a favorite celebrities and big investors. Estate Phase 3, rapidly selling out due to its prime location and world-class amenities. Now they are bringing their A game to Jenifa Gardens. Jenifa Gardens is strategically located just 2 minutes from Coastal Road, opposite NNPC Filling Station, Eleko, Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos, a prime location surrounded by major landmarks like the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, Eleko Beach, perfect for relaxation vibe, Estate Phase 1 and 2, ShopRite, Novare Mall, Sky Cinema, Omu Resorts, and top-notch schools like Green Spring School and Corona School. Plus, Jenifa Gardens is close to mega projects like Lekki Future Zoo, Lekki Deep Sea Port, Dangote Refinery, and Pan Atlantic University. And the best part, Jenifa Gardens has Certificate of Occupancy title C of O, your assurance of peace of mind, and zero land wahala. And did I also tell you this land is sandfield, 100% dry land. You can buy today and start building your dream mansion tomorrow. This estate not just there for show, rara. See amenities now. The top-notch amenities include good access road, 24/7 security, 24/7 electricity, perfect drainage system, green area, and many more. Now, definition of modern living combined with smart investment. See now. Now, here is the real deal. Let me show you how owning a plot here can put an extra 7 million naira or 10 million naira in your pocket effortlessly. Currently, 450 square meter plot is 55 million naira, just 55 million naira. But with pre-launch price, with this Ember season awoof, you can get the same 450 square meter plot for just 45 million naira only. That is a massive 10 million naira save upfront. For the smaller option, 300 square meter plots, regular prices 37 million naira only, just 37 million naira. But pre-launch price is going for 30 million naira pere. Imagine 7 million naira in your bank account without lifting a finger. Just by securing your plots now, you'll be 7 million naira or 10 million naira richer when the prices skyrocket by 10th of January 2025 next year. All you need to lock down this life-changing investment is a deposit of 4 million naira or 3 million naira. With the rapid development going on in Ibeju-Lekki, property value dey skyrocket like say e get wings. Jenifa Gardens no be just land, na your ticket to millions. No let January 10, 2025 next year meet you while you are still calculating what if. Call us now and start your journey to owning a piece of luxury and profits. Jenifa Gardens is calling, and the opportunity is sweeter than amala with ewedu and goat meat. Reach out to us now at landproperty.ng. Let's help you secure your spot in this paradise. Bank your millions today. I'm talking about millions here, not thousand. No. With just 4 million naira or 3 million naira initial deposit is all it takes to start. I am Kate from landproperty.ng, your Naija plug for sharp investment. We help Nigerians in diaspora secure properties in Lagos, Asaba, Ibadan, Port Harcourt, Abuja, and Anambra. Call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen now for more information. And don't forget to hit your subscribe button, like, share, and leave your gist in the comments.